Alright everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the GoPro Fusion. This is part of that $2.99 Best Buy deal that they got going right now, which is a real nice deal. You get the GoPro Fusion, and then you get an extra battery, and you get an extra battery and a charger. So altogether I'll have 3 batteries with this plus the charger. So that's pretty good for $2.99. It's 50% off. Okay, so if you're interested, run over to Best Buy and pick you one up. Anyway, if like when I went there, they didn't have this stuff in stock, but they sent it to me. I got it the next day from FedEx. Okay, they shipped it overnight FedEx. So I got this stuff the next morning. So that was a pretty good deal right there. And that's usually what Best Buy does. If you buy something there and they don't have part of the promotion, they'll ship it to you overnight. You'll get it the next day. So let's get it out of the box. Nice packaging. There's a manual. And it gives you a little warning on here about mounting it. And then you got your GoPro stickers and then your manual. That's all right there. There's the unit itself. Now, I will tell you, it's got some beef to it, so it's heavier than the Insta 361X. Okay, it's heavier than that. The Fusion is 175 grams, and the Insta is 113. So the Fusion, I don't think I would be mounting this on the Mavic Pro. Okay, this is not going to be on the Mavic Pro anytime soon. I can tell you that right now. Now, if you want to look at a couple of differences before we get into the rest of the stuff here with the Fusion, with the Insta 360, is on the Fusion, the camera lenses are offset. You see, if you look down on it, you can see one lens is over there, one lens is there. I don't really know all the engineering aspects of why that is, but I'm sure there's a reason for it, for their software or whatever. And the Insta 360, one's right behind the other one. So, and now this shoots 5.7K, and this shoots 5.2K. Now, to be honest, I don't know if there's much of a difference between 5.7K and 5.2K. I will tell you that the salesman up at Best Buy, when I bought this, now I'm very happy with the Insta 361X. This is super nice. I wasn't even planning on buying this, but I went into Best Buy and saw this thing at half off. But the guy that sold this to me, he's one of these real tech nerds. I see him in there all the time when I'm in there. He told me this is better. He said this is better than this. Now, I don't know if that's true. I'm just going by what this tech nerd told me, because he said he has both of them also, and he said he likes this one better. He said the color and the video on this is better than this, but we'll see. We shall see. Anyway, this is the camera. There's the mount. There's the power button there on the front. This is the door. Right here where the battery goes. And this supports 2 micro SD cards. 228 giggers, I think. You can put the one right here. It's hard to see it, but there's a slot there. And then there's a slot on the other side. So put 1 micro SD card here, 1 micro SD card here, and the battery in here. And then on this side is the little door to charge it. Right there. Then it's got your little GoPro serial number in there. Now, one advantage that the Fusion has over the Insta 361X is that it's waterproof. This is not. But this is waterproof up to 16 feet. So, that's a pretty big advantage if you're out in the rain. Okay, so that's advantage GoPro on that deal. Let's take a look in the box and see what other goodies are in here. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got a little case there. That's neat. I don't know how that would work with the little stand. I don't think that little stand thing is removable, to be honest. Okay, well that's good enough, okay? Yeah, right, I guess that's the side you stick the stand part out. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Because it protects the lens from scratching, you know, that's the thing about these you worry about, is scratching the lens. It's actually a good idea to keep that in there. So that's cool. And then in here you got a battery. This battery's big. So that's even going to make that thing weigh more. Actually, I didn't even weigh it with the battery. This thing is 227 grams. Okay, so this thing is way too heavy to be putting on top of no Mavic Pro. Okay. That one was 113 and that one's 227. So it's a considerable amount more. Considerable amount more. Battery comes out real easy, so that's no big deal to get that out of there. And that is a, oh, I can't even see it, the writing's so small. I'm not seeing on here what the size of the battery is, but I'll put it up on the screen for you so you'll know. Then you get a few mounts. Here's one here with the peel and stick. That's pretty cool. There's another one. And then this thing here, which is pretty neat. I actually have one of these already. But they give you one with this. It's a little tripod. And selfie stick type deal. And then the camera just mounts right to it, right here. Yeah, we gotta get it to stay up. Okay. So the camera mounts right in there, like that. Then you would just put the mounting thing right in there like that and hold it in. So. And then this is, you know, it's just like a combination tripod selfie stick deal. So that's pretty cool. This tripod, for your information, this little tripod right here, if you go to the store and just buy this thing, this GoPro branded tripod, this thing's $50, okay? Because you know how this GoPro stuff is, man. It's just like everything that they own, everything they sell with their name on it, costs a fortune. Yeah, that little tripod's $50. Okay, and so then you get a micro, or a, yeah, micro SD cable, micro USB cable, type C. Because GoPro, everything is type C now. I'm gonna fire another one of these up, keep one by the computer. There it is, right there. So that looks good. And nothing else in there. Well, I am going to get this battery charger fired up. Okay, now you get another type C in there. All this packaging, God. They give you a manual for that, a little quick start guide. So we'll go garbage can with that. So we'll just leave this out. Put one of them cables and hook it to that. So there you go. You can charge 2 batteries at once. And then in this box is just the spare battery. So, yeah, I thought it was pretty good for that. I want to get this thing fired up. You know, the thing about these things, and it's just like, you know, with the Insta360, you got to learn the software. Okay, anybody can turn the camera on and start shooting, but you got to learn how to manipulate the software and the settings and all that. That's actually the hard part. Turning the camera on and shooting the video is the easy part. Alright guys, I'm going to go play with this thing. Okay, have a nice day.